lovies, welcome and let's make this beautiful guacamole dip for Johnny's birthday party. And I have here avocado, lime, cilantro, and my jalapenos, onions, and my salt. So you go ahead and peel up your avocado. This is the most easiest dip you can get, and I know that they sell in the store, but try and make it your own and you're gonna love it. And I peeled up my avocado, and I'm gonna scoop everything with a spoon in a bowl. So you want to use a little bit bigger bowl so you can mash it very good. And I use two large avocados, like the two large avocados, not the big ones. And I'm here chopping up my cilantro. You want to cut up the cilantro into small chunks, just like how you see in it, and make sure it is fine. You do not want big cilantros in there. It might get it overwhelmed eating it. You want to cut it very fine. And I have on the side my red onions. You want to use red onions because the taste of a red onion in guacamole is amazing. I'm just giving you guys this free recipe that I felt it is, because this was fire and I had to remake it the second time on Johnny's birthday because everybody was obsessed with it. And I went ahead and cut up my jalapenos just like this. And you want to put jalapenos, even if you don't like spicy stuff, you want to put a little bit. That helps with the kink in there. And all my family here are white people, so I make sure I didn't kill them with the spice, and that's why I put a little bit piece. And once you cut up everything, you're gonna go ahead and bring back your avocado and just toss everything back on top of the avocado. And if you have a potato masher, use that, or you can use a fork. But first I went ahead and squeezed half a lime on there, and I put in my crushed salt. This is the crushed salt. That's what you want to use because it takes time to melt and it does not get as salty. You understand me? So you can feel the crunch in there. And this is my potato masher, and I'm gonna mash it and make sure everything is mush perfect. This is the most beautiful guacamole I've ever seen. I don't know, the ones that they sell in the store, they use blender to mash it, and I checked for taste and it was tasting beautiful. So it was perfect and everything tasted amazing. I couldn't stop tasting it. That's how good it was. And have you my heart shape, some eye pumpkin shape, but it has to be a fruit shape. Then it's plain, and I just scoop everything in there and put it in my serving bowl to serve it. And just like that, you have a guacamole dish for your dip. If you're making antipasta, this will be perfect for a side dip for chips. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you leave a comment of what kind of stuff you want me to post. And there you have it, my famous guacamole dip. And enjoy, and make sure you come back for more. Love you.